In a world where history hides in the smallest, treasure's one place dares to reveal the truth. Welcome to NC Coins World, your gateway to rare coins, secret values, and million-dollar discoveries. Every coin has a story. Every story could change your life. Stay with us because the next coin might just be worth a fortune. Subscribe now and let the treasure hunt begin. Listen carefully. What you are about to hear is not a movie, not a fiction, not a fairy tale. This is a real story. A story about a tiny piece of metal. A coin so small, you can hold it in your hand. But this coin has the power to change destinies. The power to bring you unimaginable wealth. And maybe even make you a millionaire overnight. Yes, I know what you're thinking. How can a simple coin have so much value? Well, stay with me, because in this video, I will reveal everything. Step by step, piece by piece, secret by secret. And let me warn you right now, if you skip this video, even for a single second, you will lose the most important part of the story. And once it's gone, you can never get it back. So do not skip, do not pause, do not leave. Watch this video completely, until the very end. Because what I'm about to tell you could be the biggest discovery of your life. This is not a movie trailer. This is not a fictional tale. This is the reality of one coin. The 2014 Germany 2 euro cent coin. Imagine this. You find a coin lying in your drawer. You think it's ordinary. You think it's worth nothing. Maybe just a couple of cents. But what if I told you that the same coin you are ignoring could actually be worth millions of dollars in the right collector's market? Yes, millions. And no, I am not exaggerating. But here's the catch. Most people don't know the real value of their coins. They spend them, they lose them, they give them away as change. And by doing so, they let fortunes slip right out of their hands. That's why I am here. To open your eyes. To give you the knowledge you never had. Because knowledge is the key. Knowledge can turn a simple 2-cent coin into a treasure worth more than gold. But remember, if you skip this video, if you jump ahead, if you say, "I'll watch later," you will never understand the full picture. You'll miss the secrets. You'll miss the history. You'll miss the clues that separate an ordinary coin from a priceless masterpiece. So, watch carefully. Listen closely. Because your fortune might just be waiting in your pocket right now. Now, let's dive deep. The 2014 Germany 2 euro cent coin. At first glance, it looks simple. On one side, you see the denomination, 2 cent. On the other side, the design of oak leaves, beautifully carved, symbolizing strength, endurance, and history. But here's the twist. Not all coins are equal. Some coins were minted in special places. Some coins have rare mint marks. Some coins have printing errors. Tiny mistakes that collectors are willing to pay thousands, or even millions, for. So, the coin in your hand, the coin you might have thought was nothing, could actually be hiding a secret that makes it rarer than you can ever imagine. Do you see where I'm going? Do you feel the suspense building? Good, because we are just getting started. Let's step back in time. The year is 2014. Across Europe, millions of coins were minted. But among them, certain batches stood out. Coins from Germany, in particular, had their own charm. Germany has always been known for precision, for history, for tradition. And when they released the 2 euro cent coin with oak leaves, it wasn't just another coin. It was a piece of art, a piece of heritage, a piece of financial history. But what makes the 2014 version so special? Here's the secret. Some coins from 2014 have rare mint marks, like A, D, F, G, or J, representing different German mints. Each mint has its own production numbers. Some made millions. Some made only a few thousand. And that's where rarity is born. Because in the collector's world, rarity equals value. And value can skyrocket beyond imagination. But let me tell you this once again. If you think you can just skip ahead, if you think you'll just search on Google later, you are wrong. Because what I'm about to explain here, you will not find it anywhere else in one complete guide. This is the roadmap. This is the treasure map. Miss one clue, and the entire map is useless. So watch carefully, my friend. Do not skip this video. Stay until the end. Now picture this. A simple family in Germany, unaware of what they hold. A father gives his child some pocket money. Among those coins is a 2014 Germany 2 euro cent with a rare mint mark. The child spends it at a store. The cashier doesn't notice. It goes into the register. Later, a collector finds it, recognizes it, and sells it for thousands of dollars online. Do you see? The difference between ignorance and knowledge can be millions. And that is why you are here. That is why you must not skip. That is why this video can change your life. The oak leaves on this coin are not just decoration. They are a symbol of German history, appearing on coins for over a century. Collectors love them. Historians love them. And when the design meets rarity, magic happens. A single rare error, a single misprint, a single unusual detail. And suddenly, a coin worth 2 cents becomes worth a fortune. But will you know how to identify it? Will you know how to recognize the treasure? That's what I'm here to show you. Step by step. Clear and simple. So now, take a deep breath. Look at your coin again. Notice the oak leaves. Notice the tiny mint mark letter. Notice the shine, the details, the year 2014. Every detail matters. Every scratch, every edge, every curve of the leaves tells a story. And if you skip, if you don't pay attention, if you walk away now, you will never know which story your coin tells. Is it a common coin worth cents? Or is it a rare treasure worth millions? The answer is here. And the answer is waiting for you. At the end of this video. Stay with me. Because in just a moment, I'll reveal the types of mint marks, their rarity, and the unbelievable values that collectors are already paying for these coins today. But before that, one last reminder. Do not skip this video, because your fortune might depend on it. Now, let us continue our journey. We have just scratched the surface. The 2014 Germany 2 euro cent coin is far more mysterious, far more powerful, and far more valuable than you have ever imagined. And I must remind you again, if you leave now, if you skip this part, everything you've heard before will become meaningless, because the true secrets are only revealed step by step, layer by layer, moment by moment. So, don't even think of skipping. Stay with me till the very last second. Let's dive deeper into the mint marks. Germany is unique because its coins are minted in 5 different cities, each represented by a letter. A. Berlin. D. Munich. F. Stuttgart. G. Karlsruhe. J. Hamburg. Now here's the magic. Some mint marks had very high production numbers. Millions upon millions were created. But others? Only a fraction. And when a mint produces fewer coins in a given year, those coins instantly become more valuable to collectors. Imagine you hold a coin from the rarest mint. Collectors worldwide are hunting for it. They will pay any price. Hundreds of dollars. Thousands of dollars. And in some cases, even more. Because rarity drives obsession. And obsession drives value. But that's not all. Errors. Yes, errors are the hidden gems of the coin world. A tiny misprint. A double strike. A missing star. An off-center oak leaf. Even the smallest mistake can make a coin priceless. Let me give you an example. One 2 euro cent coin with an error was sold for more than $10,000. Why? Because collectors want what others don't have. They crave uniqueness. They crave rarity. They crave something that sets their collection apart. So think carefully. What if the coin in your hand has an error? What if you are holding a fortune without even knowing it? This is why you cannot skip. Because if you do, you may miss the exact detail that could reveal whether your coin is worth cents or millions. Let's create a vision. Imagine you list your coin online. A simple auction. You start with a low price. But then, bids start coming in. $10, $100, $1,000. Suddenly, collectors from across the world are competing. The price rises. $5,000, $10,000, $50,000. Until finally, your 2 euro cent coin sells for a life-changing amount. That is not a dream. That is reality for many coin owners who had no idea what they were holding until they learned the truth. And that truth is exactly what you are learning right now. Now let's talk about symbolism. The oak leaves on this coin are not random. They are a continuation of German tradition dating back to the old Deutsche Mark coins. The oak represents strength, stability, and endurance. It is a national symbol of Germany. And for collectors, symbols matter, because they tell a story. And stories make coins more valuable. Every collector doesn't just buy a piece of metal. They buy the story, the history, the legacy. And your 2014 Germany 2 euro cent coin has all of it. But again, if you skip this video, if you ignore these details, if you walk away before the end, you will lose the story. And without the story, the coin is just metal. With the story, it is priceless. Now, let's talk numbers. A standard 2014 2 euro cent coin in circulated condition may only be worth a few cents. But rare mint marks in uncirculated condition can be worth $10, $20, even $50. Special proof sets, made for collectors, can reach hundreds of dollars. Error coins? They can explode in value, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, or more. But here's where the real magic lies. Hype. Yes, hype can push a coin's value into the millions. Collectors and investors don't just look at rarity. They look at potential. And when a coin becomes famous, when people start talking about it, its price skyrockets beyond reason. Just like rare stamps, rare baseball cards, or rare paintings. What was once worth nothing suddenly becomes worth a fortune. And right now, the 2014 Germany 2 euro cent coin is on that path. Collectors are hunting for it. Dealers are advertising it. Prices are climbing. And if you are lucky enough to have one of the rare versions, you could be sitting on a gold mine. But let me repeat this again. Do not skip this video. Because the secrets I am revealing, the mint marks, the errors, the stories, the values, are pieces of a puzzle. Without one piece, the puzzle is incomplete. And an incomplete puzzle has no value. So stay with me until the end. Let's go even deeper. What makes coins valuable is not just rarity. It's condition. Collectors use grades to classify coins. Circulated. Fine. Very fine. Extra fine. Uncirculated. Proof. Each step higher can multiply the value. A coin that looks ordinary to you may be a top-grade uncirculated coin. And that could mean thousands of dollars in value. So look at your coin carefully. Hold it to the light. Check the shine, the luster, the edges. Every detail matters. This is not just pocket change. This is a treasure in disguise. And now, the final piece of the story. Collectors are emotional buyers. When they want something, they pay any price. When they see a coin that matches their dream, they don't hesitate. And that is why coins like the 2014 Germany 2 euro cent can sell for extraordinary amounts. Because one collector's dream can become your fortune. So, here is my message to you. Take your coin. Study it. Check the year. Check the mint mark. Check for errors. Check the condition. And then, decide. Will you ignore it and let it slip away? Or will you treasure it, protect it, and maybe even sell it for millions? The choice is yours. But remember, if you skipped this video, if you only watched half, if you didn't pay attention, then you will never know the true value of what you hold. Your chance will be gone, and you will regret it forever. So never skip. Always watch till the end, because the end is where the truth lies. Now, if you have this coin, and if you believe it could be rare, leave a comment, share your story, and subscribe to this channel. Because here, we don't just talk about coins. We reveal treasures. We reveal fortunes. We reveal the secrets that no one else dares to share. This is your moment. This is your opportunity. Do not let it go. And always remember, a coin is never just a coin. Sometimes, it is destiny in disguise.